Dear students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khajrahat, Ayodhya. My name is Shahnaz Bano and I will teach you today class 3rd Maths. Odd even number. Odd number. The numbers which cannot be arranged in pairs of 2 are called odd number. Such numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 11, 25, 15, 19, 27 are all odd numbers. Even number. The numbers which can be arranged in pairs of 2 are called even number. Such number end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 12, 16, 28, 22, 36, 48 are example of even number. Students, look in this page. Even number colored with red and odd number colored with green. 28 is even number, so colored with red. 33 is odd number, so colored with green. 55 is odd number, so colored with green. 40 is even number, so colored with red. Okay, thanks.